Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Maverick XL. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.5-liter hybrid engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got that tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, backup camera. This vehicle does come equipped with a 4K tow package, and taking a look at the back here, we got mud flips on the front and rear blind spot detection, the nice XL logo. And looking at the front here, we got a license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, storage, plenty of storage in the back here, 2 USB-Cs with a nice little holder right there. And we do get under seat storage as well, which is pretty handy. You do get quite a bit of it as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat and passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks. We got our lights, trailer brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 9.5 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, drive modes, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. We got a digital speedometer right here with lane centering. We got My View, trip and economy, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, traction with cup holders and tons of storage. You got your outlets right here, your center console, storage below, and on the dash, we got our playback, play forward, calm, screen, hazards, max temp, and auto hold, volume, with your nice big infotainment system, climate controls right here, audio, phone, settings, features, and apps. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls, your settings, just your normal vehicle settings, nothing special about that. Features of the vehicle, record feedback, owner's manual, driving assist, and any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And look in here, we have our drive modes, which do include normal, eco, slippery, with sport and tow and haul, which is all pretty handy. Shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA50220, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.